Hello children, in my previous video I have discussed about find the square root of decimal numbers, but in this video we will discuss to find the value of a square root up to certain places of decimal. And this is example number 3rd. Find the square root of 2 correct up to two places of decimal. And in your textbook the form of this question will change, and you have to find the square root of any number correct up to 3 places of decimal, correct up to 4 places of decimal, but same steps we will follow. Okay, so firstly we will try to understand this question. Now we have to find up to 2 places of decimal. Okay, and given number is 2. So here we will apply long division method. It is very clear. Okay, now this is 2, and after all natural number we know that decimal takes place. Okay, so 2 point, this is first pair, second pair and third pair of zeros, because we have to find correct up to 2 places of decimal. That's why we have taken here how many pairs of zeros? 3 pairs of zeros. And the steps which we followed in long division method, same steps we will follow here. Okay, so 1 1 ja, multiply above, 1 1 ja 1. Now subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 1 plus 1, 2. And here whole number part is finished. So we will set here point, decimal. Okay. Now this pair of 0 brings down. And here 25 5 ja. This should be 25 5 ja 125. And obviously 125 is greater than 100. So here we will consider for 4. 24 4 ja. What will we get? 24 4 ja 96. It will give 4, and 24 plus 4 28. Next double 0. Okay, next pair of 0 will come down. So here if we set 2 8 2 2 ja, it gives 564, and 564 is more than 400. So here we will set 1 ja. Okay, 281 1 ja 281. After subtracting we will get here 119, and after adding 282, and one pair of zeros we have left, so it will come down 119 00. Okay, so which digit is suitable here? I think if we take 282 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 to 12, 5 8 ja 41, 5 2 ja 10 plus 4, 14,125, and it is more than 11,900. So what will we take? 28244 ja. Okay, and now after multiplying this we will get 11296. Okay, So 4 4 ja 1 1 2 9 6, and after subtracting we will get here 604, and this should be 2828. Okay, now square root of 2 equal 1.414. This is up to, this is 3 places of decimal, but we have to correct our answer up to 2 places of decimal. Now we will see its last digit. This is 4. If the digit at last at this place is less than 5, then there will be no change in previous digit. Okay, if the digit at last place will less than 5, then there should be no change. If the digit at last place is more than 5, suppose that here at the place of 4 it should be 6, then what will we do? We will add here plus 1, but here is 4, that's why there should be no change. Now 1.41, and we will write here correct up to 2 places of decimals. Okay, here one thing you have to keep in your mind, that if the digit at last place is greater than 5, then add plus 1 in previous digit at last place is greater than 5, that time add plus 1 in previous digit. But if it is equal to 5, then same process will occur, take place. If the digit at last place less than 5, then there will be no change. Okay, suppose that if we got a square root of 2 is 1.416, then correct up to 2 places. What will be our answer? 1.42, because this digit is greater than 5. Okay, only this is our assumption, this is not a right value, not a correct value. For example, I have taken here. Okay, now next type of question, type 3. Type 3. A square root of fractions. Square roots of fractions. How to find the square roots of fractions? Okay, so first formula is, if root a into root b, if our question in this form, that time first of all we will simplify it, and this is equal to a into b, root under a into b. If our question is in this form, square root of a by b, it means root a divided by root b, where a and b are integers, where a and b are positive numbers, are positive numbers. Okay, so two formulas we will keep in our mind, and now see example based on this formula. So first example is evaluate a square root of 441 divided by 961, and second formula we will apply here. So square root of 441 divided by square root of 961. Okay, and by long division method, by applying long division method, easily we will find its square root. 2 2 ja 4, next pair 41, 41 1 ja 41. And what is the square root of 441? This is 21. Okay, and 900 square root of 961 should be 31. So it is very easy to find the square root of 441 divided by 961. Now next type of example number 2, find the square root of one whole 56 by 169. If our number is a mixed number, that time what will we do? Firstly, simplify it. So 1 whole 56 by 169 equal 169 1 ja 169 plus 56, and denominator will be same. So 169 plus 56 is 225 divided by 169. Now square root of 225 divided by 169. So it should be square root of 225 divided by 169. Okay, and we know that 225 is the squares of 15. Okay, 15 into 15, and 169 is the squares of 13 into 13. So we can easily find it. This is 15 by 13. A square root of 225 by 169 is 15 by 13. Now example number 3. Find the value of a square root of 40 into a square root of this. Suppose that this is 45. A square root of 45 into a square root of 20. So our formula is 45 into 20. It gives 900, And by long division method, either by long division method or prime factorization method, we can easily find its square root. So this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Here 2, 3 and 5. All numbers are in pairs. So this is 2 into 3 into 5. And this is 30. So square root of root 45 into root under 20 should be equal to 30. Thank you.